To get daily update for my delicious new recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button. After subscribing, click on the bell button to get daily notifications. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very popular Bengali dish, Doi Chingri. So let's get started. To prepare Doi Chingri, here we have taken some medium-sized prawns. Now I'm going to marinate it with some salt and some turmeric powder. After marinating it, I'll keep it aside until I fry them. So now it's time to fry all the prawns. Here we have taken a big vessel in which I am adding some mustard oil. So now I'll wait for the mustard oil to get little hot. Once it's hot, I'll be adding all the prawns in this oil and I'll be frying them for almost 1 minute. After 1 minute, we'll turn them over and we'll let them fry for another 1 minute. Once it has fried properly, we'll take them out in a different plate. Now we'll be frying rest of the marinated prawns. So now it's time to make the Doi Chingri. For that, I have added some cardamom and some clove and some cumin seeds. In the same oil, I have fried the prawns. I'll be frying them for some seconds, and after that, I'll be adding 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Now I'll be frying them properly for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add some salt into this, and after adding salt, I'll be frying it until it becomes little brown in color. As you can see, it has become little golden brown in color. Now I'm going to add some ginger, garlic and green chili paste into this. Now I'm going to fry them for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, as you can see, it has started losing oil. Now I'm going to add 2 small size tomatoes cut into cubes and 2 slit green chilies into this. I'll be frying it until the tomatoes become little mushy.
As you can see, the tomatoes has become little mushy. We'll mix it properly. Now it's time to add the beaten yogurt or dahi. Now I'm going to mix it with this masala and I'll be cooking it until it starts losing oil. As you can see, it has started losing oil. Now I'm adding 1 cup of hot water into this. You can add water according to your gravy's consistency. Now I'm going to add the prawn pieces. Now I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes. So our dahi chicken is ready. I am adding some garam masala powder on top of it and it's ready to serve. Don't forget to like the recipe and share, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you and have a good day.